Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Helping Mind. Here is the problem when we receive a call in our Xiaomi Redmi Mi in Poco phones. When we receive a call, the screen is off during phone call. It is occurred by proximity sensor. If we turn off the proximity sensor from our call settings, we can fix the problem to turn off the proximity sensor. If we do not find the proximity sensor, here is a way to find out the way to proximity sensor. We can do it by proximity sensor test. So if you want to fix the problem, you have to see the full video. Now I am going to show you how to fix turn off during call in Xiaomi Redmi Mi and Poco phones. Keep watching. To fix a screen off during call problem, at first we have to go to our Mi phone settings. I will find out Mi phone settings. I will tap on gear icon settings. Here I will find out apps. I will tap on apps, and here I will tap on system app settings, and here I will find out call settings. You can see call settings. I will tap on call settings, and here we can see incoming call settings. I will tap on incoming call settings, and here we can see proximity sensor, and we can see a simple instructions: turn off the screen automatically when you are holding the device to your ear during a call. That means if the proximity sensor is enabled, you will find the problem of a screen of problem. So you have to disable this proximity sensor by tapping on the toggle. Here is a solution number 1, and we will see the solution number 2 if there is no proximity sensor in your call settings. For this, again we have to go to our phone settings. I will tap on gear icon settings. Here we can see about phone. I will tap on about phone, and here we can see all spaces. I will tap on all spaces, and here I will scroll down, and we can see kernel version. I have to tap on 3 to 4 times to enable hardware test. I will tap on continuously, and we can see launching CID, and here we have to find out proximity sensor test, and you can see the proximity sensor test. I will tap on proximity sensor test, and here you will find simply collaboration buttons like this. If you find the variation window, cover the proximity sensor located at the top of the near the receiver with your hand, then move your hand away. The value should increase from 0.0 when you move your hand farther away from the device when collaborating. After that, click on fast button. If proximity sensor collaboration fast, then your sensor working normally, and you get a solution of fix proximity sensor not working or phone screen turns off during call and makes calls without facing any problem. And another thing is that if collaboration failed, then clear your proximity sensor area, which is located at the top of the near the receiver, with the help of cotton cloth, and make sure there is nothing between the sensor and your hand. Protective screen cover or gloves. I hope you understand all the steps without any problem, and this tutorial will help you. And here is the one thing I want to mention, that if this step does not fix the problem, then you may really need to go to the service center. Hope guys you can understand how to fix the screen of during call problem in your Xiaomi Redmi Mi and Poco phones, and you can solve your screen of problem during call in this 2 ways. If you find this video helpful, give a thumbs up and share the video with your friends who face this screen off during call problem. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.